art using activity 3. Art using natural and found objects. Create an Andy Goldsworthy style picture. I could call this Goldsworthy. This is what I made. Everything is natural except for that tiny piece of plastic right there. That isn't natural. But this looks really good for my kind.
So how did you go around making it, Victor?
Also, I drained out an entire bowl. All of this was in that one bowl. There's nothing in the bowl.
So how did you make this picture? Explain it to me. Explain how you went around making this picture. Because originally it was a spiral.
It was a spiral, but because I couldn't build a spiral, because I was thinking it was too hard for now, I built this. Then my mind went, I don't know what to build. I'm just going to build something random. So that's what I did.
And was it fun?
Yes. I have pebbles, rocks, shells, snail shells, something. I don't know if this shell is natural or synthetic or something.
Mother of pearl shell?
We found on the floor. So I don't know. So yeah, these are all rocks. Pretty much nothing from here is unnatural except for this. This is unnatural. This right here is unnatural. But as you can see, we need that there to balance everything. So we have to put that there.
Plus rubber, if it's rubber, it comes from a tree. So it's kind of natural.
And we cannot take it from there because otherwise it will drop and destroy the entire pattern.
Okay, thank you very much.
No, not yet.
What are you doing now then, Victor?
I have got a few photos that I would like to show. These photos are how it looked before. This is before it's rubber and that.
Show me the camera. Yes.
And this is how it looked without any, pretty much no stones on it.
So as you see, each picture develops and becomes bigger.
Yes.
And he could carry on building if he wanted. He could add sticks.
I could
leaves.
if I had enough more pearl shells. It's supposed to be kind of aquatic themed because it's only pearl shells. There's no wood. There's no iron. No nothing. No leaves. It's kind of aquatic themed.
Okay, thank you very much, Victor, for today's work. Goodbye.
Bye-bye.